Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another glorious breakfast idea. You can have it as a snack as well, and I love this recipe because you can have it on the go and it doesn't take a long time to make in the kitchen. You can make a batch and take it to your workplace every day to have it on your break, or you can make it with your kids, and I only used 4 ingredients. So you will need 1/4 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of oats and 2 bananas. I started off by smashing up 2 bananas in a bowl, and then I added my peanut butter, which I melted for 30 seconds in the microwave. I also added some honey and mixed it all together just like this, and then I added 1 cup of oats. If you like, you can add in some vanilla essence or some chocolate chips or some raisins into it. And then I poured it into this baking tray and baked it for around 30 to 40 minutes, and then I placed it in the fridge until it cools down. You can leave it overnight. So that's it. It's an easy peasy recipe.